Every now and again, you find that you've made a mess up or something just really isn't working that you're trying, and you have to come to terms with having to completely change it and turn it into something which is successful. And you have to learn what's wrong with it, and B, what you have to do to rectify it. And then you have to adapt to the situation, overcome whatever feelings you might have regarding it, and then create what you feel is going to be a better idea, um, which is basically what I've been doing with my campaign to sell the Affiliate Marketers Playbook. In as much as it hasn't really been working to send customers to my opt-in page and then send them straight to an opt-in page for the Affiliate Marketers Playbook, because people don't like just opting into things the whole time. They like to have something else in between. So I've been creating a free product to give people who opt in, moving towards the Affiliate Marketers Playbook. But it does mean that the tactics with the advertising, the sales messages, they all have to be slightly different. And it's working that out that takes the time. Although I found it very gratifying doing the funnel stuff, because I'm quite into that, building funnels. And of course I got ClickFunnels to thank for making it easier than it would be otherwise. And so I've had to learn, adapt, and then go back out and teach it, which is a scheme presented to me by Brian Moran and Tom Beale in a course I did a while back called the 12-Week Year, where learning what your mistake is, adapting to it, and then going out and teaching it is all part of the course. So anyway, as I said, I've been building a new lead magnet. I'm building a new funnel, so that now when I get people to opt into my squeeze page, they'll be getting a free product and then be put into an email sequence, which will then be pitching the Affiliate Marketers Playbook to them. Seems a bit of a long way round to do things, but I trust this will be more successful than just sending people straight to my opt-in page and then onto the free opt-in page for the free product by Dean Holland. But people actually need to get their hands on this free product by Dean Holland. It's a good one, as it does give them clarity about what they need to be doing in 2018 as opposed to what they've been doing before. Because, as I've said a few times before, affiliate marketing is an adapting business, and the old way of doing things just isn't producing the results. So people have to go further in order to make ends meet doing this. Whereas if you do get into this sales funnel I'm telling you about, which has been called the ultimate funnel, I would add, the Affiliate Marketers Playbook, the ultimate funnel by none other than Russell Brunson, then you quickly see that actually this is the new way of doing affiliate marketing, because although it's hard in the initial stages, you do get affiliate commissions going right the way through the funnel, and you can make quite a lot on the back-end products and the premium products, which is very gratifying, because quite frankly it is hard work getting customers in affiliate marketing to come onto your email list, and it is a lot of work. I've put in absolutely masses of work here, and I carry on doing it in I carry on doing it because I carry on doing it, because it's too late to turn back anyway. When you're crossing any sea, it's there's always a point after which it would be sillier to turn back than to continue. So basically one continues, and that's all one can do. And land may be 50 miles off, or it may be 300 miles off, I don't know. Anyway, it's not land we're going for, it's sales and success on a funnel. Another thing Russell Brunson says is you're just one funnel away. So who knows, One is always open to the idea of being amazed. Anyway, I hope this is interesting for you, because the basic message of this lesson is that you're always having to learn and adapt and then teach. So whenever you find that there is a fault in what you're doing in affiliate marketing, just be prepared to go and learn what it is that you made a mistake doing, and then adapt your positions and your marketing accordingly, and then go out and teach it to other people. Okay, thank you for now. I'll talk to you another day. Ciao.